In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Confluence directly from Jira. Connecting these two tools allows you to manage documentation alongside your projects, improving collaboration and streamlining your workflow. To get started, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you normally use. From there, go to Jira and log into your account using your credentials. If you are new to Jira, follow the login prompts to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, make sure you have permission to access the project you want to work with. From your dashboard, open the specific Jira project you'd like to connect with Confluence. Inside the project, look to the left-hand navigation menu and scroll until you find Project Pages. Click on it to view the available options related to documentation and collaboration. Within Project Pages, you'll see an option to connect to Confluence. Click this option to begin the integration process. A list of available Confluence spaces will appear. Browse through the list and select the Confluence space you want to link to your Jira project. Once selected, click Connect to finalize the connection. After the connection is complete, you will be able to view and create Confluence pages directly from Jira. This integration makes it easier to keep project documentation aligned with ongoing work. And that's it. You've successfully connected Jira to Confluence and can now access Confluence pages right from your Jira project. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful Jira and Confluence tips and tech guides like this.